Una sa ating mga balita, tiniyak na Malacanang ang pagbibigay proteksyon kay dating Senior Superintendent Cesar Mancao. Inihayag ito ng palasyo bilang tugon sa kahilingan ni Mancao na makausap niya si Pangulong Aquino. Si Elena Luna nag-uulat.
Tiniyak ng palasyo ang kaligtasan ni dating Police Superintendent Cesar Mancao na tumakas sa custody ng NBI. Ito'y matapos umapila si Mancao na makausap si Pangulong Aquino.
Si Secretary Marroas nagsalita na and he assured the safety of Cesar Mancao. Kung ang issue doon ay kung yung safety niya, Secretary Marroas has already spoken this morning about it and he assured him it is better for him to be in the protection of the state than be a fugitive out there. So, yun po ang ating position doon.
Tumanggi magkomento si Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda sa pagdadawit kay Senador Panfilo Lacson sa umano'y banta sa buhay ni Mancao.
You know, it's unfair for Cesar Mancao to ask the President to be fair. First of all, the case is before the courts and we respect the independence of the courts. So, as to fair treatment, Secretary Marroas already said that he's getting special treatment. He's not being placed in the same cell as the others. So he's in the NBI detention. He's there. But insofar as getting fair treatment, I think he should be asking the courts for that because his case is now before the courts themselves. So we expect the court to give him due process and a fair treatment in his case, in his trial.
Ayon rin sa kalihim, patuloy ang paghahanap ng mga otoridad kay Mancao.
We are tracking him down right now. And that's why this is not something that we will countenance. He's a fugitive and we will go after him.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.